Hey everybody, wanted to share with you my favorite countertop toaster oven. The best part of this toaster oven is that it has a toaster on top. So you have your traditional toaster oven where you can put little pizzas in and anything that you want to toast, kind of like an oven. But now look on top, you can use it as a very basic toaster without having to turn the toaster oven feature on. It's really wide. You can fit like 2 or 3 slices of toasts, and it fits just perfectly in the corner in my kitchen, and I love it.